Welcome back to my bathroom. Y'all, it's been a minute since we've been in here, but this is what I have going on. I want my hair braided, and I want box braids, okay? And I'm so excited about being able to put my hair up in a bun. I'm just wanting something easy peasy right now in my life as it pertains to my hair. So I totally feel like I can do this myself. I've never done it, but I feel like I can do it. But I also don't feel like doing it. And my dilemma in allowing someone else to do it is, for those of you that have been kind of on me with me on this hair journey, you know that I've dealt with I deal with thinning, and I'm doing some treatments as it pertains to that. But again, I just don't feel like doing my hair myself, because I know it's going to take me a whole lot longer to do it than it will letting somebody else do it, okay? So I've been in search for somebody that can do my hair but be gentle. I don't like it tight. I don't want it tight. You won't be braiding up my eyebrows and my eyelashes with my hair. So I went to, was on the hunt, and I think I came across somebody when I made the statement about I need someone that's going to be gentle. Gentle is in the title of their business. I mean, not that that automatically means that they're going to be gentle, but anyway. So I have heard that I want to do knotless, or some people call it the feed-in method, because I've heard that that doesn't weigh as much and pull as much on your hair, and that it really feels lighter. So having said that, I have found someone to do my hair. So my appointment is this morning, and of course I want to go with clean hair. So I told this person that I was going to shampoo my hair, and you know, I see you in the morning. Now, when I shampoo my hair lately, I've just been shampooing it and then I'll plait it up and take it loose. I've not blow dried my hair in quite some time. That's usually done when I go get my hair shampooed and styled. So when I shampooed my hair last night, I dried it. And in me drying it, you know, I just started kind of getting in the mirror and looking at my hair and turning it around. And I noticed that I'm dealing with more thinning right here in the very middle of my hair, like in the nape area. Let me see if I can show you guys, see if you can get a visual. And in me seeing this, okay, I'm gonna try to turn around and back up slowly, and hopefully you guys can, without hitting my camera, hopefully you all can see. Wait a minute, y'all. Let me see where I'm at. Let me see. Okay. Kind of in this area. Do you guys see that? So, how in the world is somebody going to be able to put a braid right here? You can't. So that has me feeling some kind of way. And then there was also an area kind of over here, but here is not as bad as here, okay? And you guys, I hope that didn't get blurred with me standing so close to the camera. I won't know that until I edit. So once I saw that, my first thought was, oh my goodness, I'm not gonna be able to do my bun. How in the world? Because listen, I'm not for looking crazy. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. So I've been standing here trying to part it out, okay, and get my part as straight as I can, considering what I'm working with. And yeah, here I go again doing this on camera with you guys. But I'm going to do an undercut. going to do an undercut. Yeah, I'm doing it on camera. And I need to use my husband's clippers, but hey, all of this has to go. Yeah, I just did that. So I'm gonna use my husband's clippers and see if I can get it looking halfway decent, because again, I'm trying to be in control of my hair, y'all. And I don't want her trying to braid it up and then when I get through it looks crazy. No, this is what we get ready to do. And this is, y'all, this is, I consider this to be like edgy for me. I mean, I never would have thought I'd have my hair like shaved in the back and then longer in the top. So it's a little edgy for me. A little edgy. My husband would have a fit if he knew I was standing here doing this. That's why I have to do this kind of stuff when he's not home. Okay? So now that I've got the majority of that cut, and see, a lot of women, you know, I kind of want that tapered look, that faded look. Now, I won't be able to do all that, I'm sure, but I want it to look feminine. I don't want like a hard fade, okay? But at least right now, this is gonna kind of help me get started. Let me grab his clippers so we can clippers. Now I'm going to use his wall clippers. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Wall. I don't think it's well. I think it's wall. I'm going to put a number 1 guard on here. I hope that's what that means. I see a 1/8 inch, then I see a 1, and then I see a 3 millimeter. Listen. I don't know what none of that means. I'm hoping that 1 in the middle means it's the number 1 guard. Anywho, y'all, that's what we're getting ready to do. I'm going to use a 1-inch guard. And I'm going to have it closed. You know, you can move this lever up and down. So I'm closing it where I think I'm closing it. Listen, y'all. Y'all probably say it's done. Y'all see now? Y'all see what? This is why my husband calls me Lucy. Cause I'm always doing something. But I at least want to get, you know, like most of this off, and then listen, and then my husband can fix what I mess up. And with me saying I want a soft fade, because I don't want it totally bald. You know, I like a little bit of hair down there where I can see it on my neck. You know, nape my neck. I don't. Now, if it has to be bald to get it blended, then I guess they can do that. But that ain't what we're trying to do. Ooh, y'all. It need to come off. It always does. Oh. Go Miss Dawn. Now she in the bathroom with clippers. Listen. I'm gonna need this towel to work out. Okay, put some clips on there, so hopefully, some hair clips, hopefully it'll help my towel stay on. Girl. Ooh, Lord. Big. Then it's the minutes. As long as at it again. Good shot. And you guys, I have no idea how to blend. So I know it's not going to be blended. But what I wanted to do is take it off because I didn't even want her trying to braid it up. We're not messing with this. We're not even trying to braid it up. So once listen, I don't want to get that. She be like, oh, I can do it. Now, my husband was to see this. I know it looked terrible, y'all. I know. My husband would say, girl, you look like a walrus. But it would be great if I could get this fixed before I come home. But anywho, yeah, that's all. That's part one. That's what I wanted to do because this, and then hopefully, like I said, terrible. But that's all right. No, Barbara can fix it for me. So y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. So hopefully when I come back, either my hat is going to be braided and the back of it is going to be fixed. I hope that's the case. I really wish I could get somebody to fix that before. Y'all, that is really edgy for me. Okay. But I just wanted to show y'all that little part. And another thing I was trying to do is get my part as straight as possible. I didn't want her trying to do my part and it's crooked. Y'all, that's just too much. All these stipulations. Girl, you need to be doing your own hair. I know it, but I don't feel like it this time. Y'all pray for me. Let's go get this hair braided. So that's the same cord.
Are you sure that's good? Right?
So is that the one you use for the whole thing?
No, yeah, all the way up. Or you want me to...
But can you go larger so it'll be faded out? I mean, I don't want the whole thing low like that.
Okay.
Yeah. So now try the bigger guard.
Yeah, that's why I was asking you, so we make sure we clear.
So if you follow me, especially my pound cake videos, you've already seen this hair braided up. It's about 3, almost 4 weeks later since I've gotten my hair braided. And it's even kind of growing where you can't even really see the parts too much, you know. Even where I had my little line parted out from my undercut, it's growing back too. But I thought, you know what, let me pop back in so they can really see what we're looking like, because that way if I do a video and my hair is put up and you see the undercut, you'll know exactly why. Okay, thanks to my dude number 1, aka my husband, for helping me get this nape of my neck together. So I don't know if as it grows, if I'm just gonna keep cutting it down. I don't know. What I do know is that I have to kind of pay attention to that area that was thinning. And again, I was just really surprised because I've been treating the area in the top, maybe my temples a little bit, but definitely the area where I knew I was dealing with the thinning. So when I saw that, I was just like, what in the world? A totally new spot, because I really don't pay that much attention to the nape of my neck. And I do wear, when I pull my hair back, oftentimes once I shampoo my hair, braid it up, take it loose to where the crinkly look, I'll pull it back, but I don't have it pulled tight. I actually use, most of the time I use these little rubber stretchy hair bows or hair ties, and I don't even twist it. I just put it on the one time and it holds my hair, because my hair is, I guess, maybe thick in some areas. So anywho, listen, I don't know, but this is what we're doing right now. So going forward, there's no telling what you may see as it pertains to styles Again, with these braids, I'm almost kind of ready to take them out because I'm so ready to give my hair a good shampoo. But anywho, in the meantime, in between time, I just wanted to show you guys what we ended up with. And then again, if you notice this undercut in other videos where I shaved off the back of my hair, that's why, okay? It's my way of trying to make the best out of a challenging situation. How about that? Okay? All right, you guys. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time as I'm still on this hair journey. Listen, I guess it never stops, huh? All right.